Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS 91. I am coming to you guys today to give you some updates as what's going on with Creations PS 91. But first, before I get into that, you guys, I hope that you guys are safe. I hope that you are wearing your mask. And I just hope that you are having a beautiful day today. Okay, so let me tell you guys. First and foremost, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do not receive Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club kits anymore. But on my channel, I have it from the beginning all the way up to, I believe, some dish towels. And so if you need help in any kind of way with your kits, I am more than happy to help. Just drop me, a comment, and I'll see what I can do to help you. I just released a video, a tutorial for one of my viewers who was having problems with the nesting stash baskets. And so I did a full tutorial. I did the bottom of it, the working in the round, and I hope to help her and any future person who is trying to work those baskets up. And so my next update, you guys, is that the reason why I started my channel was because I was having problems with patterns. Because of authors, they have their own way of putting things, so I always struggle with that. And so I decided when I started the channel, I said there has to be people that struggle as well as I. And so, and when I did it, and so that's why I had got the Annie's kit, and I worked them up, and we talked about them. But this time around, you guys, we are going to do free patterns. Okay, so everybody can be involved. So you don't have to buy a kit, and you don't have to, do all that kind of thing. You can use your stash, because as yarners, we got stash, right? So you'll be able to use your stash and just, and have fun, and if you guys happen to know about free patterns that you want to tackle, or you want me to take a look at, just go ahead and, I'm on all social media. I am on Facebook, I am on Instagram, of course I am on YouTube, Creations PS91. So yeah, just, hey, just let me know, and I'll see, and maybe one of them or a couple of them, who knows, might be viewed on my channel. Okay, you guys. I wanted to bring that to you, and there are some other things in the works as far as some sewing. So stay tuned. Remember, if you guys have not hit that bell symbol, if you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that bell symbol where it says all, so you will be notified of each time I upload a video. Okay, so you do not want to miss what Creations PS 91 has going on. Okay. All right, you guys, that is it for me. And remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.